Well, you've done enough damage for one day. Let's go home.
I want a corn dog first.
Oh, honey, we're about to have dinner.
But I'm hungry now. I want a corn dog.
All right, thank you. If you're hungry, I'll get you something healthy and you can have it in the car.
Corn, dog. Why can't I have one?
Well, at this point, because of the way you're acting, please don't do this, Kayla. We have been having such a nice time.
And we can keep having a nice time. Just give me what I want. Or you're not gonna like what happens.
Are you threatening me?
I'm just saying. I got that idiot Preston to jump off the roof. Wonder what I could get Penny to do.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that, but that was horrible, what you said. And you should never say that again. Okay, so come on, let's go. Come on.